Imagine a fighter jet so advanced it can outsmart the enemy before they even know it's there. A jet that commands fleets of autonomous drones, hacks enemy systems in real time, and can fire lasers at the speed of light. This isn't the future. It's happening right now with the Tempest fighter jet, the crown jewel of Europe's $100 billion Future Combat Air System, FCAS. As nations around the world scramble to keep up, the Tempest is already setting new standards for air dominance. But what makes this jet so powerful? And why is it feared by superpowers like the US, China, and Russia? Stay with us, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover the secrets of the most futuristic fighter jet ever built, one that could change the course of warfare forever. Drone swarm technology, unleashing the drones. The Tempest is not just an advanced fighter jet, it's the commander of an entire fleet of drones. These drones act as loyal wingmen, following the jet into battle, scouting ahead, or even engaging targets. This technology turns Tempest into a powerful multitasking machine. While the main jet handles critical combat, the drones provide extra eyes, firepower, and defense, making the Tempest a force multiplier. This unique coordination creates an unbeatable advantage in the sky. The brilliance of this swarm technology lies in its flexibility. The drones are designed to be used for different purposes. Some can take on reconnaissance missions, scouting enemy territory, while others may serve as decoys to confuse enemy radar systems. These drones can also be armed, turning them into independent attack units. While most fighter jets rely solely on the pilot's abilities, the Tempest uses these unmanned vehicles to overwhelm and outsmart any enemy it faces. What makes this technology truly exciting is the autonomous nature of the drones. While they follow the lead of the Tempest, they can operate on their own, reacting to changing conditions in real time. This level of automation and intelligence makes them far more than simple tools. They become essential partners in the heat of combat. The drone swarm ensures that Tempest is never alone, even in the most hostile airspace. This drone swarm technology isn't just about brute force, it's also about strategic advantage. With multiple drones operating at once, the Tempest can monitor larger areas, identify threats faster, and strike from angles that a single aircraft could never cover. This creates a web of defense and offense that makes the Tempest incredibly hard to defeat in any scenario, whether it's air-to-air combat or ground strikes. The coordination between the Tempest and its drones gives it the ability to operate as a self-sufficient force. In situations where other jets would require backup, the Tempest can handle multiple tasks alone, thanks to its drone squadron. This gives it a huge advantage over traditional fighter jets that still rely on human-piloted support. The Tempest is truly redefining what it means to control the skies. As the use of drones in military operations becomes more common, the Tempest's swarm technology will likely set the standard for future air combat. The ability to coordinate multiple units seamlessly gives it an unparalleled edge. It's not just about fighting smarter, it's about creating a whole new type of warfare where human and machine work together as a cohesive and deadly unit. Tempest's AI-powered brain, smarter than any pilot. At the core of the Tempest power is its AI system, which operates like a second brain for the pilot. This AI doesn't just assist, it makes split-second decisions based on real-time data, often faster than a human could process. The result? A fighter jet that can predict enemy movements, calculate the best routes, and engage multiple targets, all while freeing up the pilot to focus on the mission. This is far beyond what any pilot could do alone. What's truly revolutionary is the AI's ability to learn and adapt. During combat, it collects data on enemy patterns, constantly updating its strategies to outmaneuver opponents. This learning capability ensures that the longer the Tempest is in the air, the more dangerous it becomes. Unlike human pilots, who may tire or lose focus, this AI remains sharp, calculating, and relentless throughout the mission. The AI can take over complex decision-making during high-stress situations, giving the pilot more time to handle other crucial tasks. It analyzes threats, assesses risks, and provides solutions in seconds. Imagine a scenario where multiple threats appear on the radar. While the pilot assesses one, the AI calculates the most efficient way to neutralize the others, offering suggestions or acting on its own if necessary. In dogfights where speed and agility are everything, this AI acts like a game-changing co-pilot. It helps the Tempest stay one step ahead of its enemies, anticipating their moves and countering them before they can even react. This combination of human instinct and machine intelligence makes the Tempest lethal in the skies. Moreover, the AI is also responsible for drone coordination. While the Tempest drones operate autonomously, they are still part of a greater system controlled by the AI. This ability to manage multiple units while maintaining precision on the battlefield gives the Tempest an overwhelming advantage in large-scale operations. It's like having a central command center right inside the cockpit. As the role of AI in warfare continues to evolve, the Tempest represents the future of military aviation. It's not just about making flying easier, it's about creating a jet that thinks, learns, and fights like no other. The Tempest's AI-powered brain is redefining what is possible in air combat, bringing a new era where machines and humans work together to achieve ultimate air superiority. Direct energy weapons, lasers in combat. One of the most futuristic aspects of the Tempest is its direct energy weapons. These aren't your typical missiles or guns. We're talking about lasers that can destroy targets at the speed of light. This technology allows the Tempest to take down enemy jets, drones, or even incoming missiles in an instant. It's a quantum leap forward in air combat, changing the way military power is projected in the sky. Traditional weapons have their limits. They can run out of ammunition, be dodged, or intercepted. Lasers don't have these problems. They strike with pinpoint accuracy and cannot be outrun. This means that the Tempest can take down multiple targets without worrying about reloading or losing time. It's a clean, efficient form of destruction that keeps the Tempest in control of any engagement. The power of these direct energy weapons also extends to defense. When faced with incoming missiles or drones, the Tempest can use its lasers to neutralize threats instantly, creating a shield of light that is nearly impenetrable. Unlike traditional countermeasures, which can be overwhelmed, the Tempest lasers can keep firing as long as they have power, ensuring constant protection in combat. What's particularly interesting is that these lasers are invisible to the naked eye. While the enemy scrambles to figure out what hit them, the Tempest can continue its mission without giving away its position. This adds a layer of stealth and surprise to its arsenal, making it a nearly invincible predator in air combat. It's a new kind of warfare where energy, not ammunition, rules the sky. The introduction of lasers into military jets like the Tempest also represents a shift in global air combat strategies. Nations are moving away from traditional weapons toward energy-based solutions, which are faster, cleaner, and harder to counter. The Tempest is leading the charge in this transformation, giving its operators a game-changing edge over any adversary that still relies on conventional armaments. As energy weapons become more commonplace, the Tempest's direct energy capabilities will likely set the standard for future air combat. Lasers offer limitless possibilities, from disabling enemy electronics to intercepting multiple threats at once. The Tempest isn't just equipped with the weapons of today, it's armed with the technology of tomorrow. Cyber warfare, hacking enemy systems mid-flight. In modern warfare, battles are fought not just with weapons, but also with information. The Tempest takes this concept to the next level with its cyber warfare capabilities, which allow it to hack enemy systems while in flight. Whether it's jamming communications, disabling radar, or even disrupting enemy jets, the Tempest can wage digital war just as effectively as it does in the physical world. This ability to control the electronic battlefield gives the Tempest a huge advantage over older aircraft. It's not just about flying fast or shooting accurately. It's about blinding the enemy, preventing them from even seeing the Tempest coming. By shutting down radar systems or intercepting enemy communications, the Tempest can effectively operate in stealth mode, even without its physical stealth features. The Tempest's cyber capabilities also extend to offensive operations. In the heat of battle, it can hack into enemy jets, disable their control systems, or even cause them to crash. This gives the Tempest the ability to win without firing a single shot. It's a new kind of combat where brains, not just brawn, determine victory. The most impressive part, the Tempest can do all of this in real time. Its AI-powered systems can launch cyber attacks mid-flight, while the pilot focuses on other critical tasks. This ability to multitask Engaging in traditional combat while simultaneously waging cyber warfare makes the Tempest one of the most versatile and dangerous jets in the sky. As military forces around the world become more dependent on electronic systems, the Tempest's cyber warfare capabilities will only become more valuable. Wars are no longer just fought with missiles and guns. They're fought with data. The Tempest is designed to control that data, giving it an edge over any opponent still relying on outdated technologies. The inclusion of cyber warfare in the Tempest's arsenal shows that the future of air combat will be fought on multiple fronts. The skies are no longer just about speed and firepower. They're about controlling the digital landscape. With its ability to hack, jam, and disrupt, the Tempest is at the forefront of this new era in warfare, where information is the ultimate weapon. Stealth and hypersonic speed, dominating the skies. The Tempest isn't just fast, it's hypersonic. That means it can travel at speeds that break the sound barrier multiple times over, making it one of the fastest jets ever conceived. But speed isn't the only thing that makes the Tempest special. It's also designed to be invisible. With next-generation stealth technology, the Tempest can slip behind enemy lines undetected, strike, and vanish before anyone knows what hit them. This combination of stealth and speed makes the Tempest incredibly difficult to counter. Traditional jets may be able to see their enemies coming and react, but with the Tempest, there's no warning. It can appear out of nowhere, unleash its full arsenal, and disappear before enemy defenses can respond. It's a jet that dominates the skies not just with firepower, but with the element of surprise. The Tempest's stealth technology goes beyond just shape and materials. It includes advanced electronic countermeasures that scramble enemy radar and make it nearly impossible to track. Even if an enemy spots the Tempest on radar, it can quickly disappear from the screen, leaving its opponents blind. This makes it a ghost in the sky, capable of sneaking past even the most advanced defenses. But it's not just about evading detection. The Tempest's hypersonic speed gives it an offensive edge as well. At such high speeds, it can outrun missiles, chase down enemies, and strike targets with precision. No other jet can match the sheer velocity of the Tempest, making it the ultimate predator in any aerial engagement. When you combine speed and stealth, you get a jet that controls the battlefield. What's more, the Tempest's agility at these speeds is unmatched. Most jets sacrifice maneuverability when they push for hypersonic speeds, but not the Tempest. It can still perform sharp turns, evade enemy fire, and outmaneuver opponents even while flying at blistering speeds. This agility gives it the edge in dogfights, where quick reflexes and precise movements are key to victory. The future of air superiority isn't just about having the biggest guns or the fastest engines. It's about mastering stealth and speed. The Tempest's ability to disappear and reappear in an instant, combined with its hypersonic capabilities, ensures that it will be a dominant force in the skies for years to come. This jet isn't just fast, it's virtually unstoppable. The power of collaboration. The Tempest fighter jet is a result of international collaboration at its finest. It's not just the product of one country's ingenuity. Nations like the UK, Italy, Sweden, and even Japan have pooled their resources and expertise to create a jet that rivals anything in the world. This collaboration ensures that the Tempest benefits from the best technology each country has to offer, making it a truly unique and powerful aircraft. What's exciting about this collaboration is the way it brings different ideas and perspectives to the table. Each country involved has its own military challenges, and by working together, they've been able to create a jet that meets all of their needs. This kind of cooperation is rare in the world of defense, where nations often compete rather than collaborate. But the Tempest shows that when countries work together, they can create something far more powerful. The UK has contributed its expertise in AI and drone technology, while Italy and Sweden have brought in their knowledge of stealth and advanced materials. Japan's involvement has introduced cutting-edge electronic warfare systems, ensuring that the Tempest is equipped to handle even the most sophisticated threats. This sharing of technology has created a jet that is far more advanced than anything a single country could produce on its own. The joint development process has also allowed for faster innovation. With multiple nations working on different aspects of the jet, they've been able to accelerate research and development, bringing the Tempest to life much quicker than if one country had taken on the project alone. This means the Tempest will be ready for combat sooner, giving its operators a strategic advantage in global air warfare. But collaboration isn't just about technology, it's also about strengthening alliances. The nations involved in the Tempest project are building more than just a fighter jet. They're building military partnerships that will last for decades. These alliances will ensure that the Tempest remains at the forefront of air combat as the countries continue to share upgrades, improvements, and innovations. The Tempest is a symbol of what can be achieved when nations work together toward a common goal. It's a jet that represents the future of international defense, where collaboration, not competition, drives innovation. As the Tempest takes to the skies, it's not just flying on the wings of one nation's ambition, it's soaring on the combined power of multiple countries, all working together to reshape the future of warfare. The future of air superiority. The Tempest fighter jet is more than just a product of cutting-edge technology. It represents the future of air superiority. As nations around the world race to develop the most advanced fighter jets, the Tempest stands out as a game-changer. With its unique combination of AI, drone swarming capabilities, stealth, and hypersonic speed, it has the potential to redefine warfare as we know it. This aircraft isn't just keeping up with the competition, it's setting new standards for what a fighter jet can achieve. One of the Tempest's most significant advantages is its ability to adapt to future threats. It's designed to be modular, meaning it can be upgraded over time as new technologies emerge. This flexibility ensures that the Tempest won't become obsolete as quickly as older fighter jets. As new advancements in AI, energy weapons, and cyber warfare come to light, the Tempest will be able to incorporate these innovations, keeping it ahead of the curve and maintaining its edge over other aircraft. Another critical factor in maintaining air superiority is the Tempest's unmatched versatility. This jet isn't just built for air-to-air combat, it's capable of multi-role missions, including electronic warfare, intelligence gathering, and precision strikes. In modern conflicts, being able to adapt to different roles on the battlefield is essential, and the Tempest's ability to seamlessly switch between offensive and defensive operations makes it a valuable asset for any military force. Its multi-role capability ensures that it can perform a wide range of tasks, from taking out enemy fighters to supporting ground forces, all with maximum efficiency. What sets the Tempest apart from other advanced fighter jets is its focus on synergy between man and machine. While many modern jets rely on advanced AI systems, the Tempest's ability to blend human decision-making with machine precision gives it a unique edge. The AI doesn't just assist the pilot, it enhances their abilities, allowing them to operate at a level far beyond what was previously possible. This combination of human intuition and machine intelligence ensures that the Tempest can outthink and outmaneuver its opponents, even in the most challenging combat situations. The Tempest also shines in its ability to create and maintain air dominance. In modern warfare, the side that controls the skies controls the battlefield, with its hypersonic speed, stealth capabilities, and drone coordination. The Tempest is built to dominate the airspace it operates in. Whether it's clearing the skies of enemy jets or supporting ground operations, the Tempest's array of advanced systems ensures that it can maintain air superiority even in the most contested environments. As military technology continues to evolve, the Tempest will likely be a key player in the future of air combat. It's not just about building the most advanced jet, it's about building an aircraft that can evolve with the times, continuously adapting to the changing face of warfare. With its combination of AI, drones, energy weapons, and stealth, the Tempest is poised to lead the next generation of fighter jets, ensuring that its operators maintain control of the skies for years to come. You've just seen how the Tempest fighter jet is changing the game, but there's so much more to explore. Want to learn about the next big thing in military tech? Click on the next video and discover the hypersonic jets and stealth bombers shaping the future of warfare. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the cutting-edge innovations taking over the skies.